All right, so I'm seeing a cell here on go. I'm waiting for it to break this tiny support here that it creates and stuff for it to clear a buckle. This buckle is very bullish. So um, I'm seeing a local cell here. Is either that or you can buy it from this level, but I'm seeing a cell here probably to down to this level. I don't think it wants to go for it. Probably breakout, and I'm seeing a continuation of buys on Nas right here. Back up to the 4 orange. So I still haven't got the new screen recorder, but this is the most. I will just work with this until everything is here. So I'm seeing Nas VI. I'm kind of record this late for member of the group. So everything should be here, but this is my cell POV. It looks good, but I want to play it safe and go for like a 1 of 5. Adjust the SL, but if it doesn't happen, then it doesn't happen. So I want to see a little breakout here, then I can do that. And then put my stops out like somewhere here. It looks nice to enter now, but I don't trust it. But this is something that I see. This is something that I see here. For it to break out to this level. Need a retest on NASDAQ and stuff, but that's the most thing. For the most part, that's all I say. In terms of currency, I had my USCHF here marked up, and I don't think nobody paid a goddamn mind on it, so nobody entered the trade. But I had this level marked up here. I've been watching this area. I've been doing 4 on 1 So simple being, if it tops into this area a bunch of times, right, you could get a sell from right here to your SL like above that level. And we're targeting from that. That's what I showed the group. So really and truly, person should be in this trade from. So it's the bodily close that's right above here, right? So person should have been in this trade from when I access it all. But hey, I need a bigger screen to be able to can see everything and enter the trade. But I so maximize everything, but it is what it is. US CAD. I also sent out this US CAD recently. Yesterday to be exact. And nobody matched it. But guys don't need for locking on the thing. Like serious meds knocking cause why but they have a catch. And I can't catch all of them. When I can catch some stuff, but here US CAD. I've been trying to sell US CAD from this level. I tried last week, it did not work out. And this week looks like it might work out back to these levels. So hey, we'll just send this back out into the group. Hopefully somebody see it. But yeah, USCHF, USCAD, see it, USCAD here. But guys, I need to match the thing though. Stuff want to know win. I really want to know win. But there's a lot of markups and a lot of charts in here and stuff. There's a lot of trades here. But we have to lock in. We have to log in. I need persons who are obsessed with the charts too, so we can look on levels together. But this is my goal setup here. I don't really like it, but we see what happens. But 5 minute video. I can't really stay up to do London session because I'm tired. But 5 minute video. Mm, that's my analogy behind it. So what I start to realize is that this one pushed off first before this one, right? Because I need to pay for the data. I'm still backtesting this. That's why I have the word backtesting there. But I'm still backtesting this. So when this sells, this buys. When this sells, this buys. Right? So each of them do the opposite. So this is leading at the moment and this is lagging. I'm not sure whenever I pay for the data, it will be different and stuff, but that's what I'm seeing. So when this sells, this buys. When this buys, this sells. So I want to see this push down and break past the support and come down to like a 1 to 4 and stuff. But actually, this setup is a little bit shaky, but it is possible to get a trade here. Definitely. I like this one way better. I'm testing out some little bit of strategy, FVG, before it break up. And for it to come top back into here, yes, I should be the below here. But when it top back into here, I will enter my trade manually. And US CAD, I miss US CAD once again. But you can only catch so much, man. Stuff complaining. But looking for a breakdown for this one. It's like 970 now. Looking for a breakdown for this one and for it to come back down here and probably eat up half of the candle. Maybe come back in the gulag. Just can I delete now? This was from yesterday. Well, yeah, that's what I'm looking at. That's what I see. I do understand that the market is bullish, but it looks really, really nice for a sell or just stay one place and then break up, whichever one. But you only can look at two ideas at once. You only can look at one idea at once, not two. So, yeah, hope my mic works this time. I got a mic recommendation, so I'm gonna try to get that. And I feel logic because I'm tired. Tired. Working and trading and all that stuff is very, very tiresome. But hey, the work pay off, and that's what you gotta do as a man. That's what you gotta do as a female, whichever one. You gotta put in the work if you want to see results. But I'm looking for a breakout here on a gold for me to enter. And I'm only risking $50. Maybe it's $80. And let's do that calculation right now. So $80 times 1.7 should give me like 4 something. So I'm risking $80. $80 on the straight, so you should get like 5 bills and stuff. But I don't trust it. So if it push off and push all the way come down and put in my shit that break even, it stop me out because I do understand that the market is bullish. So I'm watching it. Let's see what we can get out of this trade. So wait until that 5 minute close, and if it 5 minute close good and looks good, we'll see what we can get here. But it might be a ranging zone, and I'm only in for 1 to 5. I doubt it will come all the way down. If we do come all the way down, hey, toodles to go. Nothing's wrong with that. But I doubt it. I should actually go live for this one. Those are some stuff I was looking at. But I feel like I should go live for this one, but I'll just send the video and thing. But remember to post your profits and your loss in here and achievements. Oh, I got to buy my monitor. So that's good. I have no idea why it's showing like that. It's very, very weird. But very, very weird. I'm kind of excited about the monitor too. And then I have to change brokers soon. I have to do my research on the weekend. I can't miss my trades during the week and stuff. And I'm doing too much other stuff for me to say, okay, cool, I'm gonna test it out. So breakout strategy here, push down breakout. No EMA thing, no nothing, just literally support resistance. And I just want to see a breakout. I like this close off the 5 minute here. I want to see one more like that, and then boom, enter that. Probably put my SL above here. Stuff enter around there. I want like a 105, so SL around there. Tight SL probably up. If this 5 minute turn bearish, I will definitely put my SL above the 5 minute candle. Right? And I'm using a 0.5 lot size. So whatever SL it gives me for a 0.5 lot size on that 5 minute there, that will be how much I'm risking. Very, very consistent with my lot size is either 0.5, 0.2, or 1. So as much as I will say I'm only risking 8 and think it's just easier for me to know what lot size I'm comfortable with based on the size of my account and then enter with that. Then for me to go on my trading view and apply the risk and try to figure out how much is $80 and stuff. Because I know that 0.5 with this smallest SL, it's not going to be much. Because if I do the testing right now on the 1 minute, let's see, 5 minute here. Let's do the testing on the 5 minute here. That SL is only 156, like 180, 190. Correction, 190. Which is okay for me to lose 190. And stuff. So it's not that bad. So just looking for the breakout. If I do enter early, there, my SL can be $50 and going all the way down there. So my TP should be at least, because I'm targeting this candle here that turned bearish. Targeting these. So my TP should be like $1,500. But again, I'm watching it. I have my alerts on. I just want to see a breakout. I want to get my breakouts. I'll take it down, and whatever it wants to give me, it gives me. Not rushing it. This has been great and stuff. So whatever it wants to give me, it gives me. US CAD all the way running down now. But again, Buzz, can't win them all. It's sad because I've been trying to get US CAD. I've been trying to get US CHF, but I don't have the monitor space to monitor these trades, and I don't have the time. So I'm losing out on a lot of gains and a lot of capital because I just don't have the time to capitalize on everything. But I still do try. I still do try. So just leave this on USCAD, this side, and waiting for that stop low. Once you get that stop low, then this cell this cell idea should work. I wanted it to go up here and sell off. Based on some testing that I'm doing, I want it to go up here, then sell off. Right? Like tap back into those areas, then sell off. That was my original thought process. And then this one should be like a 104. But I feel like we can get something on the lower time frame based on this chart that I have here, the dual setup. We're literally just waiting for this to tank and close. It has to close. It has to close for me to get a breaker structure. It has to close. It doesn't close, it doesn't make sense. If it doesn't close, it doesn't make sense. So I am watching it. I am watching it. My soul leave the yard anyways, so can't really watch it that much. But 60 minutes. The trades and stuff I was sending the group. Can take a look on it. But remember, please watch the video. And we'll see what happens.